If you've ever wished your machine acted more like a Swiss Army knife, stick around, because the PUMA SMX2600ST has something to say. It's a juggernaut of a 5-axis mill and a fully functional CNC lathe all rolled into one. Translation: you'll make pretty much anything you and your customers can dream up. It's one machine that acts like a high-end machine shop all on its own. When you're ready to know more, check out the specs at DuSonMachineTools.com. This is the PUMA SMX2600ST, only from Duson.